Hello traders, in this class, I'm going to introduce to you the Fantastic 5 setup which recommended by teacher Nora Karim, founder of Bystra. Without further ado, let's start! The reason we choose this Fantastic 5 setup is because these setups occurred in the Forex trading chart consistently. As mentioned by teacher, the Fantastic 5 setup is a setup that always applies in all pairs and in all time frames, especially in gold pair. As you learn more during this process, you'll start to realize that these 5 setups will occur more often than any setups that teacher has shared. Moreover, these 5 setups is much easier to identify, at the same time to find confirmation. Let's look at the Fantastic 5 setups. The first one, we would have the support and resistance continuation type 1, short form SNRC1. The second type we would have the support and resistance continuation type 2, short form SNRC2. The third one would be the Quasimodo reversal, QMR. Fourth one, the Quasimodo continuation, QMC. Last but not least, Quasimodo manipulation, or we call it the QM manipulation, short form QMM. Now, in these 5 setups, there are some setups that is under the category of reversal, and some setups are under the category of continuation. So let's look at it. The support and resistance continuation type 1, which is the SNRC1, will be fall under the continuation category. Same goes with the SNRC2 and QM continuation, the QMC. The Quasimodo reversal QMR will be fall under the reversal, and also the Quasimodo manipulation, the QMM, will fall under the reversal. Now, reversal is always high risk compared to continuation. Here are some of the important notes. It is important for you to jot down and remember these notes. Every time you do an analysis on your chart, it is crucial to always remember these key points, and please do not ignore them. So first, all of Bystra setup has to be quick retest. We do not want the price to linger around too far or too long before coming back to our entry point. That would be considered as high risk. Secondly, all of the confirmation of the Bystra setup has to be at the body of the candlestick and not at the wick. You can refer this note back at the basic engulfing that I have shared you on the previous class. The third one, multi-time frame analysis is the key. If our setup is in H1, for example, then we should shift our time frame to H4 or daily to look for confirmation of our setup. There is no such thing as valid or invalid in your setup. The only thing that we can do is to control the risk, because the market, how it moves, we can't control it, but we can control how much is the risk that we want to risk and how to lower down the risk. That is the only thing that we can control. Lastly, when you see a reversal and a continuation setup, reversal will always win against continuation. Why does the reversal will win against continuation? It's because reversal involves 2 trends, while the continuation only involves 1 trend. That's why reversal will always win against continuation if you meet 2 setup that is almost in the same area. Please do remember these 5 keys. They are very crucial towards our analysis every time when we want to find setup. Please do not skip. I repeat again, please do not skip all these 5 points. These 5 points will make us more profitable in our trading. See you at the next class.